super glue without and with the accelerator. To determine whether accelerator is really vital, necessary to the curing process of cyanoacrylate, CA, superglue, different names for the same product, I cut these 5 by 5 centimeter 16 gauge plates and then welded on these cute little hooks right here. Also ground down and roughened up the joining parts, which I'll do between each portion of the tests. I'll apply a dime-sized portion of cyanoacrylate to the center of one plate and either accelerator or nothing to the other, and using my high-tech foot-activated timer, we'll know how many seconds we should keep these together, and then we'll let gravity gently do its thing. Test 1. CA on one plate. Yeah, so CA on one plate, spread this out. Nothing on this plate. 3 seconds. And no, test 2. There we go. Hang this up here. A spot of CA on this plate. Same size. And on we go. 3 seconds. Now. Yeah. Let's take this apart. Ooh. Beautifully crystallized. So let's give the non-accelerator CA 10 seconds to set. There we go. With 5 pounds. 10 seconds. Okay. This stuff was first discovered accidentally in 1942 as the military tested methods of manufacturing plastic gun sights, but CA was discarded because, well, it stuck to literally everything. That's good. Yeah, even after 10 seconds, of course, this is it's a big area. It's still tacky. It hasn't all set. There's a bit of, it hasn't crystallized completely. Since it's a matter of time, and 10 seconds doesn't do the trick, how fast will it set with the accelerator? So let's try 1 second with 10 pounds. Accelerator on the top plate and on my fingers. And a dime-sized application on the bottom plate. Okay, about 1 second. There we go, 10 pounds. Okay, and there, 1 second. Woo. So, cyanoacrylate and accelerator, let's stay together.